Hello everyone, Erica here, and today we are going to be making a super quick and easy Chinese steamed egg recipe that only requires 2 ingredients. This is a recipe that my mom taught me when I was younger, and this is something that I want to share with you guys. So first step is we take a ceramic bowl and we add a drop of oil into it. This step, in my opinion, is optional, but my mom says it's not. And it's to prevent the egg from sticking. So you place it in a cooker and you heat it up for 5 minutes. Once it's hot, you take it out. Be careful so you don't hurt your fingers. I'm using tongs to lift it up. Okay, crack an egg into it. And whisk, 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 whisk. And all you're doing is just breaking up the egg whites. Then you add your milk. I pretty much eyeballed this, but I just fill it up until there's just a little bit of room left at the top, and you mix it again. So what you can do to make the mixture much more smoother is to put it through a sieve. However, I'm lazy, so I'm going to skip that step. Place it in the cooker for 10 minutes, and you're all done. And you'll see our egg is just like tofu. I like to have this a savory way, so I'm putting a bit of chili, soy sauce, and scallions on top, and you'll see our egg looks almost like tofu pudding. And just wait for the bonus section. I'll show you guys how to turn this into a sweet dessert. Bonus! Okay, so take your ginger. It's up to you how much ginger you want. I'm scraping off the skin. This is totally optional, and we're grating it. It's totally up to you how much ginger you want to use. I like to use a lot, so I'm going to be grating more. And so we add our ginger and water into a pot. You can always add more water to dilute it. Then we add our Chinese brown sugar, which is also called bingtang. And you can always adjust it to your preference how sweet you want your syrup. And let's start mixing it with a whisk. And you want to keep whisking until the sugar completely dissolves. You will see that the syrup eventually thickens, and that's when you know it's done. Add it into your steamed egg and it would be just like tofu pudding. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if this was also a snack from your childhood. See you next time. Bye!